recently implemented a data layer variable that gives me the subscription status of a user when they perform an event using Google Tag Manager. How can I use the new subscription variable trial paid to create a cohort of users that have recently used the platform or not have used the platform at all, grouped by the different types of subscription?
The first thing you would want to do is to instrument that as a user property in Amplitude. You just need to create a new tag, or if you already have a user properties tag created, you can reuse that. Basically, you would want to map that variable to a user property in Amplitude. As soon as you do that, you should be able to see that coming in Amplitude. Once you try to use this property to create cohorts, you will easily be able to create cohorts for the users who have recently performed any event with this property value as trial or paid or whatever the values might be.
One thing that's critical that is a paradigm shift when you go from Google Analytics implementations to Amplitude using Google Tag Manager, but also still using your data layer. Sequencing of your tags is going to be critical here. If you have your user context, your subscription level, identify calls are used as that track type within the tag template to let you add this as a user property. But you want to make sure it's stitched to the following events after a certain specific event occurs or when that data layer event is attributed. Say if you have a login event and you want to make sure that you're understanding the subscription level for each login. After they perform the event that triggers it, you'd want to sequence your identify call to get the data layer variables so you can stitch that as the user properties and then fire the login event so that moving forward, all those events during that session will be stitched to those user properties. With one thing that is a nuanced shift to when you're still using Google Tag Manager, but shifting from GA forward to Amplitude is making sure you have that sequencing correct for when you need that user context.